Today we're making easy cheese stick. Let's get started. Let's cut our cheese. I'm using American cheese. You can use any cheese that you want. This is our breadcrumbs. And let's beat our eggs. Let's coat our cheese with egg. Repeat the process 2 to 3 times. Until your cheese are nicely coated. Roll your cheese like this. Just press a little bit. Pack them nicely using a sandwich bag. Pack and seal them nicely. Place them in your freezer overnight, or 1 to 2 hours should be good, and it will be ready to fry. Now let's fry our frozen cheese stick. Just make sure your oil is really hot. Frying is just quick and only fry what you need. The rest you can preserve and keep them frozen in your freezer. This is it. Hope you like this video and you can share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
Yummy, next time.